Hello friends, today in this instructional video, we want to get familiar with the ASD inverter and learn how to set the frequency from the keypad, as well as how to start and stop from the keypad. As you can see, the ASD inverter, model CKW, ranges from 0.75 kilowatts up to 30 kilowatts and comes with an LED keypad. The buttons on it include a green button, which is the run button for starting the inverter from the keypad, and a stop reset button, which is used to stop the inverter or reset any errors that occur. The ESC button is for going back one step, and the enter button is for entering a parameter and confirming or saving a value. To navigate between parameter groups, you use the left and right arrow keys, and to move between parameters within a group, you use the up and down arrow keys. To set the frequency from the keypad on the ASD inverter, you need to set the F0-02 parameter in the main group or operation group to 0. If the F0-02 parameter is set to 0, you can enter the frequency value directly from the keypad. If you want the start-stop command, the command source, to be from the keypad, meaning you want to use the green and red buttons for start and stop, you need to set the DRV parameter in the operation group, main group, to 0 as well. So, in summary, if you want to set the frequency from the keypad on the ASD inverter, set F0-02 to 0, keypad mode, and if you want to start and stop from the keypad using the green and red buttons, set DRV to 0 as well. Now, let's do these settings together on the device. As we said, to set the frequency from the keypad, set F0-02 to 0. Use the up arrow to go to the F0-02 parameter, press enter to enter the parameter, and make sure its value is set to 0. After changing it, press enter to confirm. Now F0-02 is set to 0, so you can enter the frequency value from the keypad to the inverter. For start, stop, to be controlled by the green and red buttons, set the DRV parameter to 0 as well. Go to the DRV parameter, set its value to 0, and press enter to confirm. Now using the down arrow, go to the frequency parameter and set your desired frequency. As we said, after setting F0-02 to 0, you can enter the frequency from the keypad. After setting the frequency and DRV parameter, you can now use the green button to start and the red button to stop. When you press the green button, the inverter will start running the motor or conveyor and it will begin to move. When I press the green button on this inverter, the inverter starts running. At the set frequency value, the conveyor will start operating. Let's demonstrate. When I press this red button, the conveyor belt will stop moving. Now, if I press the green button, it will start right up for me. And pressing the red button once more, you can see the conveyor immediately stops. So, to summarize what we have learned, if you want to control the start, stop, and frequency of this inverter using its keypad, there are two key parameters to configure. First, to set the frequency from the keypad, it is essential to set parameter F0 to a value of 0. And secondly, to enable start and stop control from the keypad, you must also set parameter DRV to a value of 0 as well.